Hello. Guess what? The legs froze. Already been people out here. So, pretty sure it's safe. I haven't poked a hole yet, but the ice looks really good. Nice and solid. And she's froze right over. So, we are getting down to it. First session of the year. Yeah, hey, why not, right? Let's give it a shot. It's about 2 in the afternoon. Nice and sunny. Got all the rigging. No tent. It's too nice out for that. So I think what we're gonna do is I don't know, drill a couple holes kind of right around here and give her a solid crack. So let's get to augering, get set up, hopefully hook into some fish. Now, just want to remind everybody to always be safe on the ice. It's oh, camera's all over the place. If you guys can see me or not, but you know, just be careful out there. It's early in the year. I've been up here a couple times already and checking it out, so I kind of know what's going on, and obviously there's been other people out here already, so I'm confident that it's safe for me to be out here. But I just want to make sure that you guys know to always check the ice. You know, bring a spud bar, bring a big board, something you can bang the ice with before you just start traipsing out there. So I don't have any flotation gear. I haven't got any of that yet, but that's definitely in the cards. Get serious ice fishing, you know, make sure you got all the safety gear you need. So be safe out there, guys. Always enjoy, but you know, be careful. That water's cold and you don't want to go under the ice. Anyways, let's get a couple holes drilled and let's get fishing. So, just so we know, there is approximately 5 inches of ice. So I am confident in saying that we're good to go. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. I bought some shrimp out of a can. Don't do that, it's garbage. Absolutely garbage. We can't even get it on the hook, so reverted back to marshmallows, and also got some worms to try, so we'll give that a shot. You can see the ice is, you know, 4 or 5 inches thick, so plenty of ice. No concern. Nice and solid, nice and black. Got a nice little seat here on the dock. Watch the rods, enjoy the sunshine, soak it all in. First session of the year. I almost got all my rigging together and brought everything out so I could camp out overnight, do the tent, do the whole thing, but I just wasn't quite sure if the lake was ready yet, so I didn't want to get carried away with all that gear and then not be able to take advantage. So came out for a little session for the afternoon, give it a try, and maybe come back tomorrow if it's any good today. We'll see. Haven't really fished over here by the dock, but I have fished over yonder, kind of by those couple tall trees out from shore. And I haven't had much of any luck at this lake ice fishing. I've caught some in the summertime, but ice fishing's been a lot more of a struggle. So I'll give it a shot, see what happens. Beautiful day though, eh? Beautiful, beautiful day. It looks like we might get some weather. It's pretty gnarly clouds over there, but for now it's nice and sunny, warm, and I got no complaints, man. Just glad to be out finally on the ice. Start this ice fishing season off with a bang, hopefully. Get a lunker up on this side of the water, or this side of the ice. Yeah, we'll see. Awesome. So pumped. Anyway, let's watch that hook. Or, I mean, let's watch that rod. And hopefully we can hook up. Well, here we go. We got some worms now. Give up on the marshmallow pretty fast. Didn't want to try that. Can't go wrong with worms, usually. We'll see. I don't know. Pretty pumped though. It's like somebody got one right there. Some blood on the ice. That's a good sign. Anyway, we'll leave that. Let it do its thing. A little far away, but oh well. Ooh, boys and girls, we just had a little bump on this one. Just had a little bump on this one. A little peck. See if we can get him to come back. Oh yeah, he's there. He's there. Oh yeah, he's there. Take it. Come on. Come on. Just playing with it. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on back. First bit of action, the worm. Just the tiniest little bump. I don't want to check the bait just in case, but oh yeah, it's all still there. Big old juicy worm still there. All right, well, let's leave it alone. Hopefully he comes back for another sniff and an appetite. I was trying this little guy out in the meantime, but pretty boring. Oh man, I hope we get one. Pretty high likelihood since we've already got a bite. We've only been here about 45 minutes. Come on back, fishy. What a beauty day. Hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours of sunlight before it sets, I mean. Well, let's let that sit. See what happens. Hopefully he comes back. We get him? Oh yeah, we got him. We got him. We got him. We recording? Oh yeah, we're recording. We got a nice one. What a beauty. What a beauty. Oh yeah. Nice shiny rainbow. Come here, you slippery bugger. Let's try to get him back in the water quick as we can here. Get this hook out. Hooked pretty good, right in the top of the snout. Look at that, eh? Oh, what a beauty. All right, back you go, fella. Oh yeah. One in the bag. What a good start to the year. Oh man, that's fantastic. Let's get back down there. See if we can't get ourselves another. Let's get this worm resituated on here. It's kind of made its way up the lure. You know what? Let's just put on a new worm. We got lots. Well, that's exciting. Hoping for a bigger one. I know there's some big dogs in this lake. Couple pounders, maybe even bigger. Somebody said there's 8 pounders in here, but I don't know about that. Maybe 5. Seen a big rainbow pulled out of the ice last year. It was pretty big, but no 8 pounds by any stretch of the imagination. Get that back down there. My hands cleaned off. I think it's down far enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're good. Had my drag way too loose. I set the hook and just about tangled up all my line there. Anyway, it's a good start. Some early season action for y'all. Hoping to get out lots this winter. Like I said in my last video, lots of new tricks up my sleeve. Lots to look forward to. And I mean, man, you can't beat a day like today. Look at that. Just legendary. The gnarly clouds went away and it just cleared right up. So it's just, it's absolutely stunning. I'm so pumped to be out here sharing this with you guys. And as an added bonus, we caught a fish. So what more can you ask for? Anyways, we'll get back to relaxing, watching that rod. Looked like we got a little nibble there a few seconds ago. Maybe not though. Your eyes play tricks on you this early in the season. Oh no, there's a bite for sure. Little nibble. Come on back. Think about this rod. It's quite heavy, so it's these smaller fish. It's really hard to feel them bite. Oh, let it just sit there. They seem to like that. Come on back, fishy. Oh man, anticipation. Oh man, I can't wait to come back, do an overnight in the tent. Oof, it's gonna be good. Along with a bunch of more lakes. Be a busy winter. Lots of ice fishing. Lots of camping. Can't wait. Whoa, we just had another one come by and boof us there a little bit. Not sure if he's still there or not, but might have cleaned me out even. Oh no, lots of worm left. Seems to be lots of fish here today, folks. Pretty exciting stuff. Definitely missed that one. He had it in his mouth too. Seen the line dart over to the side of the hole. Busy fiddling with my camera. Missed the hook set. Oh well. He'll be back. There's lots of juicy worm down there still. It's good stuff, folks. Good stuff. Oh, there's a little bite. Oh yeah, take it. Take it. Come on. Lots of worms still. Well, let's leave it alone again. I seem to like that. Hopefully he comes back. Oh, just want that big dog to just come in and smash it. Peel and line, the whole works. Dreaming. We're dreaming. Well, definitely cold now that the sun's going away. That's all right. We got gloves. Almost snow pants season though. My legs are getting cold. Come on back, fishy. Supper is ready. Look at that, another one, folks. Another beauty. Just a little guy. Another little one. Oh, let's get you unhooked, fella. Oh, you're tangled. You're tangled. Alright. There you go, buddy. Back you go. Thanks for saving my worm. Oh, yeah. Two in the books. Get this worm back on. See if we can't get one more, maybe a little bigger. A little bigger one would be pretty cool. That was fantastic. Two. Oh. Get back down there. All right. Let's see what we can do here. One more, maybe, hey? One more. We'll call her a day. Oh, yeah, it's beauty down there. Sick. Well, that's two. We missed three. Pretty good start to the season, I'd say. A little bit of water on you. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that start. I'm getting hungry though. Should probably think about going in, making dinner. We're not keeping any fish today. More or less just a scouting mission. I just came out here to see if there was ice. I just so happened to bring all my gear with me. Oh, look at that. We got another one. We got another one. Oh yeah, we got him. We got him. I think that's the same fish. Back in the hole. Back in the hole. Back in the hole. Come on, back in the hole. There he goes. That looked like the same fish. And he gave me my worm back. So let's put him back on one more time. Two fish with the same worm. Maybe we can get 3. It's all chewed up now, but that shouldn't matter. Fish don't care. See if his big brother's hanging out down there. Seems to like it when I sit over here, away from the hole. Seems to be the best seat in the house. Oh, yeah. Glorious. Well, we're going to give it another 20. Hopefully get one more. And if not, call her a day. Pretty successful first couple hours of the year. Nothing to complain about. 3 fish on the ice. Fantastic. What a great start. Oh, come on. Come on. You know you want it. Well, had another little nibble. I think he might still be down there. Let's see. Oh, just missed one. Oh, he's there still. He's there still. Come on. Oh, man. Good couple bites. Come on back, fishy. Good old lull there for, well, 20 minutes. I did say I was going to go in 20 minutes, but got one down here right now messing with me. He's still down there. Had another little bump. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take it. Take it. Oh, man. Let it sit again. I seem to like that. I don't know. You guys can see the moon over there. Legendary. Full moon. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful evening. A little bit of sunset action. Hopefully get one more here. We'll see. Well, the last one has evaded us, folks. Came in, had a little sniff. Wasn't interested. Yet to return. Oh well. I'd say we did pretty good for the first time out this year. 3 fish on the ice. Beautiful sunshine. Nice weather. Can't complain. But I think that's going to do it for me for tonight. Oh, I think I might have just got a little bite. Did we get a bite? Oh, it's so hard to leave. But I mean, I got chores to do, housework, laundry, real life stuff. Man, that's beauty over there, that moon. I don't know if you guys can see that on here or not, but legendary with the orange clouds. Man, awesome, awesome, awesome day. Anyway, thanks for coming out, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. And yeah, we're gonna get some more of these ice fishing videos out there this year, so stay tuned for that. Lots of fishy adventures to come. And well, you know the drill. Like always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.